Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft Edge settings to default on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Microsoft Edge browser. So I'm gonna open my Microsoft Edge browser from my PC. And after then, click on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. And here you have to choose settings. And from the left sidebar, scroll down and choose Reset Settings. Click on this Restore Settings to their default values. And finally, click on this Reset button again. And that's it. This will reset your startup page, new tab, page, search engine, pin tabs, and so on. So if you open a new tab here, you will see the default interface of your Microsoft Edge browser. And if this helped you, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also requesting you to give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.